This is Menora Academy, and we are here to serve you on YouTube. Always search for us, Menora Academy by Pastor Kenneth. Every topic is covered, and you have nothing to worry about. For a sine formula, all right, under trigonometry 2 is what we'll be looking at. I've done sine formula before. You can go and reverse it. Now, when we talk about trigonometry, we're talking about a shape that has, three sides. Like this triangle have three sides, 1, 2, 3. Okay, so if you are talking about a sine formula, now you discover that there are basic formulas here. Of course, it's just a kind of, and you expanded it so that it will be easy to use. All right, so if you have this kind of problem, how do you attempt it? Now you have a squared. This is if you want to find a side. Maybe the remaining side are given, and then the angle of the side that you want to find is given. So you can choose to use this is one of it. If you are looking for side A to be a squared, then remaining plus the other side. This is from here to this place is Pythagoras. Then minus 2bc rather. So this one, 2 times 2 of them, then cos the angle of the side you are looking for. The same thing happened here. It's just a repetition of b squared. If you have polar b, then the remaining will be a and c, then square them, then times 2 and c, then multiply by the cos, the angle of the side you are looking for. Same thing apply to c. And if you want to find the angle direct, if you want to find a direct, you can use this cos a, just like making cos a here the subject of the formula. It's the same thing as what? B squared plus c squared minus a squared all over bac. So you may not have to cram out the formula. If you can know these first three, and then here, anytime you want to do something like this, you can make this the subject of the formula. Now, I have a question for us. Now, let's solve this question together to see how we can use cosine formula to solve this kind of problem. Now, the question says, find the angle of a triangle with the following dimensions. They give us the dimension. Let's draw it very fast. The dimension we have a. Here is the. Let's draw this. This is what? This is our A is given. A, we have A, B, C. The small side of A, which is the opposite side here, is given to be 12 meter. And then the small side of B is given to be 11 meter. Then the small side of C here is given to be 9 meters. See, cosine rule cannot work here because no angle is given. In cosine rule, at least one angle must be given. Alright? Then now, in sine rule rather, but cosine rule can work perfectly here because they ask us to find the angle. Right? All these angles, A, B, and C. These are the angles they ask us to find. Alright, so let's start with angle A first. We can use this one. Let's start with A first. We have cos A is equals to what? It's equals to B squared plus C squared minus A squared all over 2BC. So this is going to be equals to our cos A now will be equals to our B. B is 11 squared plus C is 9 squared plus our A minus rather A is 12 squared all over 2 times our B is what is given to be 11 times our C is what is given to be 9. So now we are going to have our cos A to be equals to 11 square is 121, then plus 9 square is 81 minus 12 square is 144 all over 2 times 11 times 9, 2 times 11 times 9 is what? 2 times 11 times 9 is 198. So alright, so now cos A will be equals to 121, we add all of them and subtract. 121 plus we have 81 then minus 81 minus 144 is going to give us 58 58 all over 198. So cos A will be equals to 58 divided by 198 is going to give me 0.29299. So our A now will be equals to cos inverse of 0.2929. So that A now will be equals to what? How do you press this? You press shift, then press your cos. Press your cos, then write this number 0.2929 is going to give me 72.96. So approximately it's going to give me 73 degrees. So you see, side A, angle A now is what? 73 degrees. So now we find angle B. Angle B, which is cos B now. Cos B is going to be what? A square plus C square minus B square all over 2AC. Right? So this is the formula if you want to find the angle. This is going to be equals to cos B, which is going to A square. Our A square is already 12. Then plus our C is 9. All of them are square minus our B. Our B is 11 square. All over 2 times our A is 12 times our C. Our C is given to be 9. We have 9 there. So our cos B will be equals to our 12 square give us 144. Then plus 9 square. 9 square give us 81. Minus 11 square give us 121. All over 2 times 12 times 9. 2 times 4 times 9 is equals to 216. So this is going to be equals to 144 plus 81, right, minus 121 is going to give me 104 over 216. So this is going to be equals to 104 divided by 216 is going to give me 0.48, then 15. So therefore, this is cos B. Alright, so our B now will be equals to cos inverse of 0.4815. If you take the cos inverse, our B now will be equals to, alright, so press cos, then type in this number. You are going to have 0.4815 is going to give me 61.22. So approximately it's going to give me, now I'm going to leave it 61 degrees. Okay. So finally, the angle C. To find angle C, you don't need to go through the long route to find angle what? Angle C again. Why? Why? Because you discover that the sum of angle in a triangle is 180. So A plus B plus C is what? Is 180. So you discover that our C will just be 180 minus A plus B. 180 minus A plus B. So angle C will be what? 180 degrees. Then minus A. Our A is what? We got our A to be 73 degree minus our B. Our B is 61 degrees. So this is finally going to give us, we are going to have 73 plus 61, 73 plus 61 is going to be, we are going to have 180 minus 134, and this is going to be equals to 180 minus 134 is going to give us 46. This is going to be 46 degrees. So you see, the angles, we have found the angles. One of it is what? Is 73, the other one is 61, then our C part is 46. That's question number 2. Okay. Question number 2 says solve the triangle in which A is equals to 4.5 meter, side B is equals to 5.3 meter, and the angle of C is equals to 112 degrees. So the remaining parts we are going to be solving them. Alright, so to solve this now, first of all, let us do where to draw triangle we are considering. Let's draw the triangle A, B, and then C. This angle here, angle C is given to be 112 degrees, and then side A, small side A is 4.5 meter, and then side B is 5.3 meter. So now we are left with angle A and B, and then the side of B, we'll be finding it. So we discover that, look at this particular place, this side A is given, so we can find angle A now. Alright, we can find angle A, but before we find angle A, you will agree with me that to go about this, you are expected, before you use your cosine rule, what and what are you expected to do? Now, for you, this place is given, and then this particular place is given. Rather, not this place, but our B, side B is given, which is 5.3 meter. Yes, our C is side C is given. So now the next thing we are going to find is side C, and then to find our side C is C squared, small c squared, equals to A squared plus B squared, then minus 2AB, then cos capital letter C. So our C squared will be equals to our A squared is what? 4.5 squared, then plus B. B is our A squared rather. Yeah, our A is 4.5 squared, then our B is 5.3 squared minus 2 times our A is 4.5, then times our B is 5.3, then times cos our angle C is 112 degrees. So our C now square is going to be equals to, now that we have this, let us do it to press our calculator. Look at what we have. 4.5 square. 4.5 square is going to give us 20.3, then plus 5.3 square. 5.3 square is going to give us 28.1, then minus 2 times 4.5, then times 5.3 is going to give us 47.7, then multiply by cos 112 is going to give us minus 0.3746. Alright, so this is our C squared. Our C squared is going to this plus this 20.3, then plus 28.1. 28.1 is going to give us 48.4, then minus this minus and this minus change to plus, then 47.7 times 0.37, and then 46 is going to give us 17.887. So now we are going to have our C square now. Small letter C square is going to be equals to this value 48.4 plus 48.4 plus 17.87 is going to give us 66. Going to give us 66.27. Okay, so now, and then approximately going to give us 66.3. Therefore, since here is square, our C now will be square root of 66.3 to clear this square. So our C now will be equals to what? Square root of 66.3 is going to give me 8.1 meters. So we are putting our C. The next thing to get down is our A, angle A. So it's going to be cos A to be equals to our B squared plus C squared minus A squared all over 2BC. Alright, so our cos A will be equals to our B is what? 5.3 squared, then plus our C, we just find our C now, to be 8.1 square, then minus our A is 4.5 square, all over 2 times our B is 5.3, then times our A is 8.1. So cos A will basically be equals to 5.3 square is going to be 28.1, then plus 8.1 square is going to be 65.6, then minus 4.5 square is going to be 20.2. So all over 2 times 5. 2 times all the denominator multiplied together, 2 times 5.3 times 8.1 is going to give me 85.9. So my cos A will be equals to, let's add the numerator and subtract 28.1 plus 65.6. Okay, so minus 20.2 is going to be 73.5 all over 85.9. So divide it, when we divide it, we are going to have 85 divided by 85.9. We are going to have 0.8855856. So therefore our A, now our A will be equals to cos, our A now will be equals to cos inverse of this value 0.8556. So our A now will be equals to, press your shift, press your cos, then we have 0.855 and then 6 is going to give me 31.17. So approximately is going to give me 31 degree. So now that I have 31 degree, I found A, alright? And also the last but not the least now is my angle B. But angle A plus angle B plus angle C is equals to 180 degrees. Sum of angle in a triangle is 180 degrees. So therefore, our A is known to be what? 31 degrees. And then plus our B is what we want to find now, plus our C is given to be 112 degrees, equals to what? 180 degrees. So what you are going to do now is you are going to have our B, plus 31 plus 112, 31 plus 112 is going to give me 143 degrees, equals to 180 degrees. So by the time you collect your lighten, you have your angle B now to be equals to 180 degrees minus 143 degrees. So B now will be equals to 180 degrees minus 143 degrees is going to be 37 degrees. So our B is 37 degrees. So the complete triangle now that we have solved is going to be triangle A, B, C. So initially we have 5.3 here, and then we have 112 degrees. Okay, and here we have 4.5. All of them are in meter here. So now we are plotting our B. Our B is 37 degrees. Okay, so our A is 31 degrees, and then the side of C is now 8.1 meters. So you see, the triangle is now complete, and this is how to solve. Don't forget to subscribe. Subscribe now. Then am I not trying to subscribe? Like, comment, and share. Thank you very much, and tell me what you feel in the comment section. Thank you.